This is unity among diversity. People are divided. Same as you have just mentioned about Algeria. Same anatomy of the body created by same God, same physiology of the body. No changes. God never discriminated. Same sun giving light, same atmosphere giving oxygen, but then also people divided. So this is the first step. Unity among diversity. We say, be united with one mind, with one heart. This is the only Earth planet where human beings are there. There are trillions and trillions of planets, nowhere human beings are there. So we are so privileged that we are in this Earth planet. Be united. This is the first step. Second step, you are becoming a peace messenger, peace ambassador. Fly like a dove. Dove is a symbol of peace. Fly like dove. Take the message of peace to the whole world, from Kenya to the whole of Africa and all other continents. God bless.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All
So
right.
happy.
Once